In this video, we're going to take a look at the topic of iteration. With iteration, you use the output from a calculation as the new input of the next one. So with the example on the left-hand side, I've been given x0 as being 3, and I need to find x3. This means I need to use x0 to work out x1, x1 to work out x2, and x2 to work out x3. And I've been given a formula that will help me do this. In order to work out x1, I need to take the cube root of 7 times x0 squared, add 9 times x0, add 10, and all divided by 3. So using my calculator, replacing x0 with 3, typing it in exactly how I see it, and clicking equals will give me x1 as being 3.21829,794, and it's important that I write down the full number. I now need to substitute this in to the same formula to work out x2. So x2 will be the same, except where x0 was first of all, I'll now have x1. Except it seems like a lot of work to be able to type in the answer of x1, which was 3.21829,794, into the calculator. So the calculator actually has the functionality to be able to store the previous answer and use it in another calculation. And with this, all I need to do is put answer into the calculator where x1 should be. So typing it in and clicking equals will give me x2 as being 3.33688861. And since my calculator knows that ANS is the answer to the previous calculation, all I need to do is click equals again, and it will give me x3 because it will substitute in x2 into the ANS part of the formula. So to 2 decimal places, this gives me x3 as being 3.40 to 2 decimal places. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. With the question on the right hand side, I need to find x3 again. So with the first iteration, I need to substitute in x0 is equal to 1 in order to work out x1. So this will be the cube root of 6 times x0 squared plus 7 times x0 plus 6, and all divided by 10. On my calculator, I'm making the replacement of x0 as being 1. Typing it in and clicking equals will give me 1.23856233. This is x1. To find x2, simply replace where x0 was with ANS. Typing it in, clicking equals will give me x2 as being 1.336521,687. And clicking equals again will make the calculator substitute in x2 to find x3, which is 1.376361,505. And rounding to 2 decimal places gives me x3 as being 1.38 to 2 decimal places.